Welcome to another 5-minute tech tip. I'm Dave Casuto with SF Tech Training with another 5-minute tech tip on InDesign. And this time we're going to be working with character styles. If you haven't checked out my other videos on paragraph styles, please go ahead and check those out. Also got some other videos on object styles and also some InDesign good stuff and also Excel and all. Just check us all out and everything. So what we're working with here is character styles. What is a style? A style essentially is a saved format. I want to use the format over and over and over again. I want to make something bold and red, and I want to be able to use that across the board for a number of different things, but I don't want to have to keep trying to remember what was that color and that size and that font and everything. So I want to save it as a style. So if you don't have it already, you want to open up by going to Window, Styles, and then you will see here is character styles. Also here's paragraph styles and all the rest of them. And you'll notice I have no style. Poor me. No styles right now. So what I want to do is I want to make all of these guys like, let's say, a different color. All right, but I don't want to do each one because I might want to change it later on in the future. Styles is going to allow you a more sort of expeditious way of dealing with that. So let me go ahead and just highlight apples. I'm going to go over to here and then we'll let me bold it. Sure, maybe that's going to be bold. All right, and then maybe it's going to just change the color to something else. Let me make this green. Okay, and then just for fun, because maybe we'll change it, I'm going to make this underlined. Okay, that's great. I want all the rest of these to have the same thing. So all I do is highlight what I want to essentially copy. All right, so I'm going to go to my character styles panel, hold down the Alt key or Option key on your keyboard, click on this new Create New Style, and then the dialog box automatically pops up because of that Alt Option key. Now I'm just going to call this bold colored produce style. Okay, and then understand we are now doing a character style. It's not working with an entire paragraph like a paragraph style might. It's just for that one individual character. Okay, and then what I like to do, just as a good rule of thumb, is to click on preview in case I'm going to make some changes. I want to know what it's going to look like. All right, so let me just go ahead and keep it as is. So what I need to do is just confirm everything's right here. Maybe you've named the swatch. This is just the swatch right there, the CMYK value. I want to say apply style to selection. See, notice how that just popped up. So therefore the style now exists and the style is now applied to what I've just selected. And then do you want to add it to the CC library? Totally up to you. I'm going to uncheck that. I click OK. That's great. Now I can now just apply this to the rest of these, right? So I highlight this, bam. Got to highlight the whole thing. It's not like a paragraph style where you can just kind of barely touch it. Okay, so go to there. Cool. And of course, at some point you may want to change this. Okay, so how do I do that? Very simply, I'm going to double click on this and it's going to take me right back to where I was, and then I can now change it to something totally different if I want to, right? If I say I don't want bold, okay, if I don't want the underline, now check it out. Because I have preview chosen, I'm able to see, oh, what is that going to do? Oh, that's great. That's exactly what I wanted. Okay, there's my character colors, right? And you can see I have all my saved swatches here if you want to. All right, let's just see what that does when I do it. Okay, that's fantastic. Now I'm going to move that back to this. Okay, Harvest Valley green. Awesome. That's what I want. Okay, now that's pretty great. And let me just show you one really great shortcut where I want to have the word blueberries, every single version of the word blueberries, every time I see it, every time I see blueberries, I want it to be bold. Okay, so let me go ahead and first create the style. And I'm just going to make this Oswald and bold. That's great. I'm going to click on Alt and create new. All right, I'm going to say bold blue berries. Okay, that's it. That's all I want to do right now. Okay, apply to selection, preview. Fantastic. Now, I don't want to have to go through every single part of my document where it says blueberries and then make the change. So there's this really awesome find and replace feature. So I'm just going to do Control N to do my find and replace. And I'm going to actually find the word blueberries, making sure everything is spelled correct. And I'm going to change it to a format. You see that there? See, so I'm going to say change format, and this is going to pop up with a style dialog box. I'm going to say bold blueberries. Let me just click on this, and it's going to say, you can see, find blueberries, and make sure you change all the blueberries instance to bold blueberries character style. Now I'm going to go ahead and just say change all. 6 were changed. Click OK. Click done, and look at that. Amazing. Every single one of those changed. I didn't have to hunt for them. I didn't have to miss any of them. I saved a lot of time, and we're done. Okay, and again, that's just to find and replace. Just come back to it. Of course, you can watch this again, but notice I didn't change the words. I only changed the format. Okay, hopefully this makes sense. Try that. It is a game changer. It is huge. Okay, so that is working with character styles from the basic level all the way to maybe a little more intermediate level that maybe you didn't realize existed. All right, so check out my other videos on styles and all our other videos on lots and lots of other tech topics. This is Dave Casuto with SF Tech Training. Please like this, subscribe, share it. Check out our website, sftechtraining.com, and we'll see you in the next video.